Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's been a while since I've provided you all with an update, so here it is. If you follow me on Instagram or you have me as a friend on Facebook, you've already seen this, but as of yesterday I installed my Seibon carbon fiber hood onto my 2018 Subaru WRX. This thing set me back $800, and so I wanted to give you guys some feedback and just first impressions, and also kind of tell you the last few things I kind of want to do with my car aesthetically before I begin joining the dark side with the modding game. So right off the bat, guys, if you go aftermarket anything, you know, you are aware that fitment may be an issue, and so you kind of see it here. really kind of gets under my skin that one side sits higher than the other, and so you know, it is what it is, and it, like I said, it really bugs me that I dropped 800 bucks on this, and it looks like it's kind of warped, but it's whatever. So when you close it, this side kind of cuts it really close. Luckily there's no rubbing, but like I said, my OCD kind of kicks in, and like I just don't like that this side is very narrow, whereas this side has a big gap. So just keep in mind, if you guys are getting any type of aftermarket item, fitment may not be guaranteed 100%. It may be as close as possible. So with that, I kind of just wanted to show you the inside. I know that some folks, they would transfer over all of the what is it called, like the garnish, the plastic pieces and stuff like that that funnels the air into your intercooler over, but because I just dropped 800 bucks on this, and I don't really want to drill into this, I just kept it as is. And so my excuse now is sometime down the line I'm going to do a front mount intercooler, so that way I don't really need to mess with this stuff. So I also took off the covering because at this point it's non-functional anymore. I know that there is a function to it along with the OEM stuff, because it'll funnel air directly into your intercooler, but because I'm going aftermarket now, there's no point. So yeah, that's pretty much it. The weight itself isn't really that much of a difference in my opinion. It's like at best minimal. I bought this strictly for the aesthetic appeal and the bragging rights. Oh, last thing I just noticed now, so with your OEM hood, when you drop it, it'll go right in. So you hear that? You have to kind of press it a little bit harder now. That's something that I'm gonna have to get used to. I don't really like, so you got to press it a little harder now to kind of press the hood down to get it locked in place. So I have to be a little bit careful because this is carbon fiber. I don't want to damage or crack this. So the carbon fiber Seibon hood is one of the like 3 or 4 last things I want to do in my car. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the Seibon carbon fiber trunk because it is on back order, and I didn't really want to wait that 4 to 12 weeks. So I'm gonna see if I can find it secondhand. And then I want to lower my car 1.5 inches, and the last thing is really optional. It's just really expensive and I don't really want to bite the bullet, but I wanted to get the Subispeed V1 headlights, and I also want to get the Subispeed V2 taillights, and that'll pretty much be the conclusion of my exterior looks for now. And then I'm going to join the dark side, and I'm going to go into the modding game, and I'm kind of looking at the MA Performance Stage 1. And that's pretty much, I think, going to be the overall summary of my Subaru experience. That's, you know, so kind of tying this in with my inactivity. I've been working a lot, I've been traveling a lot more now, and so I'm really burned out and exhausted by the time I get home, especially when I go out on the road. I'm out for, you know, a week at a time, and when I come home, I really do enjoy my car. I just take it for a drive and just enjoy it now. I don't really like have any more motivation to make videos, and I know that kind of sucks to hear, but hopefully after August, when I stop traveling again, I'll be able to be a little bit more attentive and you know, create content for you guys that you guys, you know, do enjoy. But right now I feel like I'm hitting a plateau, you know, especially professionals. The professional side is burning me out, and I really kind of just felt like I've plateaued on my WRX. I don't really know what else to do anymore because I'm almost there. In the year and a half that I've owned this WRX, I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I have no issues to report. I love it. It's reliable, and you know, I appreciate that I'm in this car each and every single day that I wake up to it. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions or what you guys are planning to do with your WRX. But you know, really in the year and a half that I've owned this car, I've had no issues to report other than the fact that I keep spending more and more money on it, and my girlfriend is getting more and more upset. So with that, guys, I hope you guys like this video. I know it's kind of short and just kind of to the point. There's no like cinematics or anything like that, but yeah, hope you enjoy. If you like this video, thumbs up. If not, thumbs down. Or if you guys want to see me install stuff, I'm open to it now. Like I said, this car is going to be a representative of the YouTube channel, and so if you guys ever want to like see me do things, you know, I'll definitely consider it and mod or install it for you guys. So yeah, I'm going to be joining the dark side pretty soon. Maybe when Christmas hits, that's when I'll rip the band-aid and begin modding. So with that, guys, hope you guys like it. See you soon.